calculated guess. This is going to be your very important friend during the FRM exam, because the pattern of the exam is such that they will give you around 20 to 25 questions which are going to be slightly tough, okay, or slightly tricky. Now, while solving those questions, first of all, you should be solving those questions at the end, and while solving them, you should be able to take a calculated guess, because you might not be able to do the entire question properly because of the time constraint. So in that case, you should be able to pick out a right calculated guess for those kind of questions. And how will you be able to improve your chances of selecting a right answer when you're doing that calculated guess? That will only be possible if you have been able to solve as many questions before. Say for example, if you have already solved around 2000 to 3000 questions, then automatically you will get that hang of calculated guess in the question. Okay, and primarily what you should also be doing is, before reading the question, before you enter and start solving the question, see if you can make any calculated guess with respect to the answer. Read the question and try to get a calculated guess, and then start the process of your actual solving of the question bank. Okay, by doing this for most of the questions, you will get an idea that whether the calculated guess that you had chosen at the start, is it actually leading to the right answer or not. Okay, and through this way you will be able to improve your accuracy while doing those calculated guess. And this is going to be a very big game changer for those last 20-25 questions which are primarily tough for your exam, right? So I hope this video is being able to help you for your preparation. If you like the content, do subscribe to my channel, and you'll get to know whenever I put in a new video for your preparation. Thank you.